Our problem is that we are always attached to outside things, take care of the outside things, worry about the likes and dislikes of people. My dear brothers and sisters, when will you see your inner state? When will you worry about yourself? When will you clear your confused mind? When you start resolving yourself and your problems, then all the problems outside you will start solving on their own. यतो यतो निश्चरति मनश्चञ्चलम् अस्थिरं ततस्ततो नियम्येतत् आत्मनेव वशं नयेत्. Lord Sri Krishna said, whenever and wherever the restless and unsteady mind wanders, one should bring it back and continually focus it on God. Lord Sri Krishna asks us not to feel disappointed. He says the mind is fickle and we should be prepared that it will wander off in the direction of its infatuation, despite our best efforts to control it. Now to help you resolve your own uncertainties, doubts, fears and confusions, I am reciting 7 shloks from Bhagavad Gita. Number 1. Think with a calm mind. Asanshayam mahabaho मनोदुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेया वैराग्येन च गृह्यते. Lord Shri Krishna said, undoubtedly, O Arjun, the mind is restless and difficult to restrain, but it is subdued by any constant, vigorous spiritual practice, such as meditation, with perseverance and by detachment. O Arjun, my dear brothers and sisters, the first step to gaining clarity on any situation is developing a clear, calm and collected mind. This takes a lot of effort. One way is meditation. Another is by distancing yourself from the situation, not physically but mentally, where you look at it as an outsider and have a bird's eye view of it. Number 2. Give up on results. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भूर् मा ते संगोस्त्वकर्मणि. Lord Shri Krishna said, you have control over doing your respective duty only, but no control or claim over the results. The fruits of work should not be your motive, and you should never be inactive. My dear brothers and sisters, most of our decisions get affected because we worry about their outcomes and consequences. But when you realize that you have little control over the final outcome and don't focus on the gains, your efforts will be filled with more meaning. Number 3. Treat everyone equally. Suhrin mitraryudasina madhyasthadveshya bandhushu साधुष्वापि च पापेषु समबुद्धिर विशिष्यते. Lord Shri Krishna said, a person is considered superior who is impartial towards companions, friends, enemies, neutrals, arbiters, haters, relatives, saints and sinners. My dear brothers and sisters, people make up our lives and it's difficult not to get influenced by them or by our equations with them. But that's exactly what Lord Shri Krishna says. Treat everyone with the same lens of impartiality. Number 4. Don't give in to stress. Yasman no dvijate loko, lokan no dvijate chayah, harsha marsha bhayo dvegair, mukto yah sacha me priyah. Lord Shri Krishna said, those who are not a source of annoyance to anyone and who in turn are not agitated by anyone, who are equal in pleasure and pain and free from fear and anxiety, such devotees of mine are very dear to me. My dear brothers and sisters, in a world full of busyness and activity, with people snapping at each other with road rage and intolerance, these words by Lord Shri Krishna ring truer than ever. Rid yourself of excessive worry. Don't take on more than you can cope with. Number 5. Be ready for change. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado moha evacha tamsyatani jayante vivriddhe kuru nandana. Lord Shri Krishna said, when all the gates of the body are illumined by knowledge, know it to be a manifestation of the mode of goodness. When the mode of passion predominates, O Arjun, the symptoms of greed, exertion for worldly gain, restlessness and craving develop. O Arjun, nescience, inertia, negligence and delusion, these are the dominant signs of the mode of ignorance. My dear brothers and sisters, adding change and excitement to your activities gives them a boost. So, when you feel yourself slipping into lethargy or a state of inertia, stir yourself up, change direction and give yourself a new challenge. Number 6. Act with conviction. Ashraddhaya huttam dattam tapastaptam kritam chayat asat iti uchyate partha nacha tat pritya no iha. Lord Shri Krishna said, whatever is done without faith, whether it is sacrifice, charity, austerity or any other act, is useless. It has no value here or hereafter. O Arjun, my dear brothers and sisters, setting out to do anything is an action, but being ready for it is faith. Before you undertake any action, think about how strongly you believe in it. If you don't need to justify it in any way or draw on any extra reserves for it, then it is an act of conviction and the right decision for you. Number 7. Set high standards. Yad yad acharati shreshtatas tat tat evataro janah sayat pramanam kurute lokastat anuvartate. Lord Shri Krishna said, by performing their prescribed duties, King Janak and others attained perfection. You should also perform your work to set an example for the good of the world. Whatever actions great persons perform, common people follow. Whatever standards they set, all the world pursues. My dear brothers and sisters, the greatest achievers keep pushing themselves to gain greater levels of mastery. They compete with only themselves and continue learning in all areas of their lives. They meet with success and failure but continue to grow. Their journeys too continue to inspire us and give light to our lives. Iti te jnanam akhyātam guhyat guhyataram maya vimrishyaitat asheshana yathe chacchashi tatha kuru. And at last, Lord Shri Krishna said to Arjun, thus the knowledge that is more secret than the secret has been explained to you by me. After fully reflecting on this, do as you wish. After repeating these beautiful shlokas from Bhagavad Gita, there is nothing left for me to say. Now it is your wish whether to implement these teachings in your life or not. But one thing I would like to say, that things will always change. Circumstances will change, but you have to remain stable. Only then you will be able to fight against external disasters. And to increase your inner strength, you should take shelter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this.